Hello everyone, this is lesson 1 from chapter 4. Changes affect living things. Environmental changes can affect living things. For example, each year some grasslands in Africa go through dry seasons. When this happens, plants and animals get less water. Watering holes can dry up. Tall grasses can dry out. Living things respond to these changes in different ways. When an environment changes, some living things must move. They find a new habitat where they can live. For examples, elephants migrate. It means they move from one place to another in order to search for food and grasses. Some living things adjust to survive. Predators might hunt different prey or eat whatever is available. Some animals hunt at night because it's easier for them to find food, while other living things have adaptations that help them survive changes. For example, frogs and fish are adapted to burrow into the mud when the environment is too dry. It means they go into a deep sleep and do not eat. Living things that are not able to travel or change could die. Plants such as the savanna grasses cannot move to new places. Without rain, these grasses begin to dry up. If the drought lasts for too long, they might die. How do environmental changes affect an entire community? Beneath the grasses is a complex system of tunnels. Prairie dogs build tunnels and live in them. They come to the surface to eat grasses, as you can see in this picture. Prairie dogs are one population. A population is all the members of one kind of organism in an ecosystem. Population in an ecosystem depends on one another. Burrowing owls and snakes make homes in the tunnels that prairie dogs leave behind. If anything happens to prairie dogs, the whole community is affected. A community is all the populations in an ecosystem. For example, this is a community of elephants. Sometimes prairie dogs are harmed by disease. If the disease spreads, many prairie dogs could die. The loss of prairie dogs could help some living things. Grasses grow taller and thicker. Other animals will move into the area to feed on the new grasses. How does a living thing become endangered? When an environment changes, organisms must migrate or adjust to their new surroundings to survive. The organisms that cannot migrate or adjust might become endangered. An organism is endangered when there are only few living members of its kind left. For example, the Saharan cypress trees are endangered. They are found in the mountains of the Saharan desert. Scientists think that Saharan cypress trees are adapted for a wet climate, yet their environment has become dry. The Saharan cypress trees are endangered because they cannot adjust to the hot, dry weather. Organisms can also become endangered as a result of people. The Bengal tigers are endangered because people or hunters have killed them for their fur, while the panda bears are endangered as well because people are destroying their forest habitats. Thank you.